Listen to what Joe sings. Try to calmly it down.
When he had finished the work God had given him to do, Elijah was carried into heaven in a chariot of fire. Chariot! Now I sound like Mickey Mouse. Let's go! Let's go, baby! Hi! What's your name, Leah? I guess it's Leah. Take a picture now!
Poor baby.
Mommy! Daddy's reading stories again! He's reading stories again! It's a long-ass book, too!
Is it really?
Yes! He's humongous. It's super long! It is super long and I'm not happy! Alright, but we're on Esther. Queen Esther was not only beautiful, but brave. One day she discovered that a wicked man had come up with a plan to destroy all of God's people. I don't like this any more than you do. The law said that no one could talk to the king without permission, not even the queen. But Esther went to the king anyway. Bowing low before his throne, she begged him to protect the people. The king listened to Esther because she had the courage to speak up. Queen Esther saved the lives of thousands of people. Oh my God, we still got Daniel and Jonah! Daniel was the king's closest friend. He helped the king make important decisions. The king's other friends grew jealous of Daniel, so they set a trap for him.
Someone's hungry.
What are you doing?
I'm backing up.
Are you taking pictures?